Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So with this Zodiac video we are doing things a little bit different. I am talking straight from the bat. So we'll just get straight onto it. So this sign is for the Taurus. So we'll talk a little bit about the Taurus. So the Taurus elements are earth, the quality is fixed, the colours are all shades of blue and deep green. The days are Fridays and Mondays. The ruler is Venus. The greatest overall compatibility is Scorpio and Cancer. The lucky numbers are 2, 6, 9, 12, 24, and the date ranges from the 20th of April until the 20th of May. So a Taurus's strength: they are reliable, patient, practical, devoted, responsible, and stable. The weaknesses are stubborn, possessive, uncompromising. Taurus likes gardening, cooking, music, romance, high quality of clothes, working with hands. Taurus dislikes sudden changes, complications, insecure of any kind, and synthetic fabrics. Practical and well-grounded, Taurus is the sign that harvests the fruit of labour. They feel the need to always be surrounded by love and beauty, turn to the material world and physical pleasure. People born with their sun in Taurus are sensual and tactile, considering touch and taste the most important of all senses. Stable and conservative, this is one of the most reliable signs of Zodiac, ready to endure and stick to their choices until they reach the point of personal satisfaction. Taurus is a earth sign, just like Virgos and Capricorns, and has the ability to see things from a grounded, practical, and realistic perspective. They find it easy to make money and stay on same projects for years or until they are completed. We often see a stubbornness can be interpreted as commitment, and their ability to complete tasks whatever it takes is uncanny. This makes them an excellent employee, with great long-term friends and partners, always being there for other people they love. Earthly note makes them overprotective, conservative, or materialistic at times, with views of the world founded on their love of money and wealth. So, if you're born between the 20th of April to the 20th of May, you are Taurus. So, as you can see, we're starting off with the eyes, basically. And what I wanted to do is, I want to stick with the colours that is associated with Tauruses. And basically, I actually got the inspiration to do this with my eye look from this picture that I saw from this artist. I can't remember what his name was, but I saw it on the internet a long time ago, and I've kept the picture. So I wanted to use that as my pretty much my base for my eyes and everything like that. So that's why, as you can see, I kind of use for my underbase, I use the Revolution cut crease canvas and in the color Hello, and then I created that as my base, and then on top I went with the CrissyBEA EYN eyeshadow palette, and I used 3 different shades of green from the palette, and I used that as my main base. And then I used this black body paint. I'm not sure where is it from because I got it from Amazon, but I used that to create my design basically. And then I went back into the eyeshadow palette that I was using before, and I mixed a bit of brown and a bit of a beige and grey together to kind of fade it out on top. And now, as you can see, I'm using a primer to put all over my face, and it was the MUA Pro Base Blurring Primer. I think it's Banana Blurring Primer, yeah. And then I'm going in with Dragon Beauty Dragon Heart Skin Potion, which is just to help with any discoloration that I have on my skin, so around my eyes, lips, and chin area and everything like that, so that when I put my foundation on, it looks all one tone and hides all the shadowing. And now I'm gonna go in with this Revolution, I think it was the Fast Base Stick, I think that's what it's called. I'm in the shade F13. So as you can see, I'm just buffing it in with a brush. I know it looks a little bit lighter than my actual skin tone, but it's okay. It's okay. I ended up working with it anyway. So yeah, it's like a shade lighter. So yeah, but anyways, ignore that. So, and then I went in with my banana powder from W7, just a loose powder that I normally use, and I'm just pretty much putting in areas that I like to bake. And then I just quickly did my eyebrows as usual. I didn't really show you guys because it's the same. I don't really do anything different, to be honest. And then I kind of went back in with a blending brush just to buff the edges out of the eyeshadow. And then I just brushed out the rest of the powders I had all the rest of my face, and then went back into the eyeshadow palette and used those brown colours that I used on top and brought it on the bottom as well. And now I'm going to use these two shades to kind of draw out the symbol of the Taurus, so the star sign symbol, but not really the whole symbol. So I'm just drawing the horns on the forehead and everything, so that because I do like to try and interpret the sign within the look somehow or some way, so this is what I did. And then as you can see, I'm going in with a white paint and just putting dots down my nose bridge, because for some reason when I think of Taurus, I think of a bit of a tribal type of look, so I wanted to go with that. Then I went back in with the Dragon Heart, what's it called? Dragon Heart powder, face finishing powder from Dragon Beauty. And then I went back, and then I went in with the Revolution highlighter. Then I went in with this liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star in the color Crocodile. Back in with the white paint to put it on the lips again. I also used the Tarte Cosmetic Light Camera Lashes Mascara. I actually forgot to put this, so that's why I did it at the end, because I'm so used to doing lashes, so yeah, just ignore me. And then I finished it off with the Revolution Sport Fix Fixing Spray. And that is pretty much it for the look. This look is actually quite simple compared to, I think, my other ones, I think. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you are notified every single time I post. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!